What is up, everybody? Today we are showing you how to remove a background effect to create a really cool PowerPoint presentation like this. It's super straightforward. I'm gonna show you how to do it in like 2 minutes. Let's jump in. All right, so to start off, we are going to create a new presentation. If you don't know how to do that, well, okay, we're gonna change the layout to blank. We're gonna close the designer tab, and we're gonna look for a cool image to remove the background of. We're gonna go to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images. The one I had before was just New York City, straight from the PowerPoint stock, because that's super cool. We're gonna insert that one, and we are pretty close to ready to go. That's kind of small, so I'm gonna make it not small. I'm gonna put that about right there. All right, let's crop it, Shift-C. And we are cropped. Make sure it fits on the slide like that. All right, perfect. We have our crop picture, but the background is still there, unfortunately. So what do? You click it, click picture format, and click remove background. This will open up the background removal tool. Everything in pink will be removed. Everything not in pink will not be removed, because that's how that works. So if we were to just click keep changes, you can see, well, it's pretty good, but this building has a Godzilla chomp out of it. So we're gonna undo that. And instead, we're just gonna make a couple of tweaks here. So we're gonna mark area to keep. We wanna keep that building. We wanna keep this building. Okay, once you marked all the areas to keep, go ahead and click keep changes. And now we have our removed background. That's also not as helpful. So I'm just gonna duplicate that slide, Command-Shift-D, and I'm gonna go back and do picture format, remove background, and I'm just gonna discard all changes. So now I have a removed background right here, and I have the original picture. Well, I'm gonna copy the removed background, I'm gonna paste it right over the top. And now we can throw in some words, and those words can now sit behind the skyline. So I'm gonna insert a text box, and we're gonna say New York. That's not how you spell New York, silly me. Let's fix the design of that a little bit. Aroni, we'll increase the size. All right, we have our letters. Now let's just send that backward. Use hotkeys, because hotkeys are the best. And now we have the letters sitting behind that skyline. I want those letters to look even cooler, so I'm gonna make them look cooler. I'm gonna go over to shape format, make sure that format pane is open, select text, and we're gonna add a shadow. Ooh, what kind of shadow? We'll do an inner shadow. We're gonna have to make it white so it pops a little bit. A little bit of that sweet, sweet rim lighting. I actually wanna kind of match the sun, so it's like the sun is shining on that too. So we'll make that a little bit more orangey, decrease that blur, increase that transparency. There we go. Now it looks like that beautiful sunshine is reflecting right off of those letters as well. And the last thing to do is duplicate the slide. We're gonna move those letters off to the side here, like that. Bring that back up, and it's morphin' time. Let's see how it looks. I think that looks fantastic. Let me know what else you'd like to see in PowerPoint. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.